Welcome, Inner Universe community. Our topic for today is A to Z of life. Here we go. So, what does A stand for? A is for attitude, availability, being available when the opportunity knocks at your door, action, appreciation, attention. Yes, focus on the right things, assertion. Well, you can be assertive without being angry.
B is for behavior, blessings. Bless others and be blessed in return. B also means believing in yourself.
C is for competence. Keep improving your skill. C also stands for compassion, concentration, and confidence. Keep away from criticism, complaints, and comparison with others.
D is for divinity. Connect with the divine. D stands for discipline and dignity in everything you do.
E is for excellence in what you do. It also stands for empathy. Oh, yes, experience good and bad in life and just keep learning from every experience. Just remember not to repeat the same mistake again and again.
F is for focus in your work, freedom of mind and spirit. F stands for failure, and you know that you must get up from every fall and never be perturbed by your failures. F is also about taking care of your finances. Well, stay joyful and all abundance will follow you.
G is for gratitude. Say thank you for every little blessing in your life.
H means health. Take care of your health. Eat well, think well, exercise well. H also stands for honesty in work. Honor your client and honor your work. Never hate anyone.
I is for integrity, inspired work. Oh, yes, intuition. All the answers lie inside you. Listen to your intuition, it is your superpower.
J is being joyful. Remember that your feelings translate into your vibrations. And yes, keep away from jealousy.
What does K mean? Well, knowledge is power. Keep learning something new every day. Later, when you see all the dots connect, you'll be surprised how everything you learned was absolutely essential and useful.
L is for loyalty, love, learning, leadership, and listening carefully. Remember not to be lazy.
M is for mindfulness, that is awareness. M also stands for meditation. Meditate for at least 10 minutes every day to connect with your spirit and stay calm. It will help you plan in your mind how you would like to spend the rest of your day.
N is for learning to say no when you want to say no. Keep learning new skills.
O is for organized work. And yes, when working for any organization, be truthful to your organization.
P is for being prayerful, proactive, knowing your purpose in life. Patience, pause, that is knowing when to take a break. P also means that sometimes it is okay to procrastinate and resume doing something when you feel like doing it. You will do your work with more love when you are aligned and prepared for it.
Q. Oh, never quit. Who knows? Your next step may bring you all your dreams and desires. Meanwhile, enjoy the journey.
R is for revise your work beforehand. Be ready to restart wherever you are. It is your life and don't come in your own way by taking up your old conditioned ways of thinking about time, age, dearth of resources. Do the best with what you have and where you are. The universe has your back.
S stands for spirituality. Spirituality is a much required skill to sail through life joyfully. Being spiritual means always keeping your faith, knowing that the higher source is always protecting you. S also means to develop your soft skills, that is, skills of communication and listening and public speaking.
T means you must enjoy teamwork. Oh well, remember to avoid toxic people. Take care of your thoughts. Keep them positive.
U is for doing something that you love to do and which also serves the society. This is the way to abundance and wealth.
V means align to virtues of peace, patience, satisfaction, love, gratitude, and appreciation. V means to stay away from vices like harmful addictions, anger, criticism, jealousy.
W stands for willingness. W is for being willing to take up responsibility, to be ready to move to where you find the right opportunity. W means taking care of your mental, spiritual, and physical well being. W also means avoid wasting your time. Use your time and energy wisely.
X is for that X factor in you that set you apart from others. Many may scorn you, laugh at you, but being your authentic self is what will ultimately bring you success. So embrace your uniqueness.
Y is for staying youthful, being yourself, and doing yoga and breathing exercises daily.
Z is being in the zone. That is when all thoughts cease and you are perfectly aligned with what you have come to accomplish here in life. Meditation will help you attain a zero thought state of mind. It is easy to get into this state when you pursue something you are passionate about.
So, this was the A to Z of life. Hope you liked the video. Life is always beautiful. Every day is a festival. Wear your best clothes. Live colorfully, joyfully every day. Be more appreciative of lovely things around you. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. Love and blessings. Namaste.